welcome back again to Famous Unknown. Today too, I'm taking you back to work, okay? I just want to show you what I did yesterday. So yeah, let's go. Yeah, today is alright. It's not snowing, but a bit windy. It's very cool, very windy, very windy. Yeah. Look at the lake. That's the lake view. It's beautiful. At least it's not snowing today, unlike yesterday. Today is alright. It's just that it's windy, very windy. The first step is done. Finish taping. That's the first step. It's done. Let's go upstairs. Look how windy it is. Very windy, man. See the waves? Look. Very windy out there because of the lake. Yeah. Yeah, so like end of the day, this is what I got done. Put a first coat on them. And on upstairs too. As you can see, I'm very tired. Yes. It's not easy at all. I made it look easy, but it's not easy at all, okay? I'm very tired. So yeah, please do subscribe to Famous Unknown and be part of the Famous family, okay? Until we meet again, I'm your host, Shaolin Dekasa Harris. I'm out.